Hi everybody, I'm very excited to be here today with Fabio here at Mugello to have a chat about the future of MotoGP and the future of 3D printing. Fabio, we have been working together for the last couple of years now, no? And it was super exciting for us. And your request helped us to improve the technology at speed, no? So I want to talk with you about how the speed of change is important in the MotoGP.
I think the people don't realize how important for us is to have changes really fast. We test some new aero few weeks ago, and it takes time usually. But with the new technology, we can make it faster. We had it in less than 10 days. We had it straight away, and this is a big help for us because things in racing. We don't need it for tomorrow, we need it for yesterday. So this is something that for us has been a really good change, and I think that step by step we are getting more into it, and I think it's really important to have it.
Thank you very much for that. I want to talk about now another important concept, which is the concept of customization. So additive manufacturing, 3D printing, is a technology that can produce parts on scale but without any compromise on customization, So I want to ask you, about how custom is your M1?
I think it's already a lot custom, but I think we can make still another step, like you said, and I think with the 3D print is something that you can make it really fast. And for example, you are here in the race on the Friday, and you have some really new things, new aero, new items that don't need homologation. You can do it on the track. Is some details that I think can make a big difference. And the last few years I realized how important is the aero, and these things, like I said before, you need it as soon as possible, because also for us it's difficult to understand on track, but to have the possibility to have a 3D print on the track or on the track for Yamaha is something that is super important, and I think that is gonna be crazy.
Super. The other very important for you concept is performance, which is also very important for us. So I founded the company Roboze 10 years ago with the clear scope to take additive manufacturing to the next level of performance, because 3D printing has been invented for prototyping. But my intention since day one was to take the technology into the production shop floors of the most extreme sectors in the world. So today our technology is already producing parts for hydrogen turbines, rockets, satellites, aircraft, and of course motorsport. Our collaboration has been mostly focused on aero packages and components, and you already spoke about how aero changed in the last couple of years. What can we do together to take aero components to the next level?
I think is a work of many things, of the designer, of the engineers of the aero, of Roboze machinery that, like you said, you can make it in an instant, and this for us is something super important to don't wait. I remember in the past I always asked the fastest as possible, but was many months before it arrived. And with Roboze, the good thing is you can arrive already on the next race, and this is something that is giving a big help, and I think this is what we need to be winning faster as possible, to be at the top, because at the end of the racing is all about the details, and this is a big part of the details that can make really things change super fast.
Fantastic, Fabio. I'm very excited about our collaboration, and the future is really bright, and we hope to support you and to help you to go even faster, and very grateful about this. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. It's been a pleasure.